Hello guys, today now I'm going to explain about Java architecture. What is a Java architecture and how many components does include in Java architecture, and what are the types of components we have, and how does the Java internally program execution will work, how it compiles the code, and I will explain in this video. And coming to the definition of a Java architecture, the Java architecture refers to the design and structure of the Java platform, which enables Java programs to be platform independent, secure and efficient. Platform independent means we can run the code in any operating system, and we can run the dot class code in any operating system such as Linux, Unix or any operating system, and it is secure and efficient, and we can easily use this in a very secure way and in very simple and efficient way. It includes components like JDK means Java Development Kit, JVM Java Virtual Machine and JRE Java Runtime Environment, and follows a process where Java source code is compiled into bytecode, which the JVM executes across different systems. So now these are the components included in this Java architecture, and now I am going to explain how does these components will work, such as JDK and JVM and JRE. So these are the components and parts of Java, and in Java we have mainly four parts, and Java architecture has several key parts that work together to make Java applications run smoothly. Java architecture has several key parts. These parts are used to help to run the Java application in a smoothly manner. And here are main parts such as first one is Java Development Kit. This Java Development Kit is a toolkit for any developers, and this Java Development Kit includes compiler, debugger, libraries. And first one, compiler, means it is used to convert Java code into bytecode. Java code means what we are understands by the humans, so it converts into bytecode such as 0 1. So these are the bytecodes. And debugger means it used to help find and fix errors in the code. And next, coming to libraries, provides pre-written code for common tasks, such as we have core libraries such as java.util, java.lang and java.io and java.nio. These are the core libraries which has available in Java Development Kit. And next, this is about the Java Development Kit. And second one is Java Runtime Environment, JRE. The JRE is responsible for running Java program. This JRE is mainly used to help to run the program in an easy way, and it includes such as Java Virtual Machine core libraries. Java Virtual Machine executes Java programs on any device. The main feature of Java is we know that is a platform independent. We can run .class file in any operating system such as Linux, Unix, and any operating system we have. And this Java Virtual Machine can execute the Java program on any device. So next, coming to core libraries, I said core libraries such as java.util, java.lang, java.io, java.enable. These are also essential functions which are helpful for to run the Java application is available in this Java runtime environment. And coming to Java Virtual Machine, this Java Virtual Machine is the main component for running the program at the back end of the programming. And first, what is a Java Virtual Machine means? The JVM ensures Java program can run on different platforms without modifications. The main use of this JVM is it is used to run the Java programs on any platforms, on any devices, without any modifications or without any change. So this is a definition of Java Virtual Machine, and it has three parts. First one is class loader. It is used to load the Java classes into memory. And second one is runtime memory, such as heap and stack, manages memory for running program. And third one is garbage collector. It is automatically removes the unused objects to free memory. What we are using which is not useful for us, those objects will remove this Java Virtual Machine. And coming to fourth one, Java API means application programming interface. Java provides built-in APIs that help developers perform various tasks like first one is networking API. It is used to handle internet connection. And second one is database API. JDBC means Java database connectivity, which is used to connect Java programs to the database. And third one is collection API, manages data structures like list and maps. So this is about the four parts of an Java, and I will take a real-time example to understand these parts in a easy way. So here I am taking as real time, and I'm assuming a well organized kitchen. In this well organized kitchen, I am taking these three: JVM, JRE and JDK. And JVM is I'm taking and assuming as like a chef. The chef is used to cook the dishes, and in a JVM, the JVM is used to execute the code. And coming to JRE, Java Runtime Environment, the Java Runtime Environment is like the cooking tools, what equipments we are used to run the code. So this JRE will provide needed to run the program. And third one, JDK Java Development Kit. This Java Development Kit is like ingredients and recipes, what ingredients and what recipes we are taking to cook a dish. So this JDK will provide us, and it helps developers write and compile Java code, and it is used to write and compile the Java code. So this is about a real-time and easy understandable way to know the parts of an Java architecture. And guys, these are the Java versions. And Java version, we have Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Micro Edition, and Java FX, and next Cloud and Distributed Java. And first one coming to Java Standard Edition. This Java Standard Edition is used for basic applications like desktop programs. And what are the applications, real-time applications we have in Java Standard Edition, such as media players, IDEs, and games. These are the real-time applications we are using in Java Standard Edition. And Core Java comes under Java Standard Edition. And next, Java Enterprise Edition. This Java Enterprise Editions helps building big web and business applications. These are used for developing large-scale enterprise applications such as e-commerce platforms, banking systems, and ERP systems. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. This includes financials, human resources, and supply chain manufacturing, customer relationship management. So in this, we are using Enterprise Edition. And next, coming to Java Micro Edition. This Java Micro Edition is made for mobile and small devices. It is used for developing applications for mobile devices, embedded systems, and other resource constrained environments. So this is about Java Micro Edition. And coming to Java FX, it is used for making visually rich apps with graphics, such as used for building desktop, mobile, and web applications with rich graphical user interfaces such as media players, games, and interactive simulations. So in this we use Java FX. And next, Cloud and Distributed Java. This Cloud and Distributed Java is used to help create apps that work across multiple servers and online services. So these are the some Java versions we have in Java architecture. So this is the overall about Java architecture, and what are the components we have in Java architecture, and what are the parts and how does it works, and block diagram of JDK and JRE and JVM, and I explained all of this. So this is about the Java architecture. So this is the block diagram of JDK Java Development Kit, and the Java Development Kit consists of the JRE as well as command line development tools like compilers, debuggers that are required or useful when creating Java applications. And the JDK consists of the Java doc, which can be used to generate documentation in HTML format. So this is a block diagram of a Java Development Kit. So this is a block diagram of Java runtime environment. And Java class libraries means a collection of pre-written classes that can be used in Java programs. And pre-written means which was written already, and which was declared or which was written already classes that can be used in Java programs. These include such as AWT means Abstract Window Toolkit, This is used for creating graphical user interface and set library, etc. These are other libraries providing various functionalities. And next, coming to class loader and byte verification. Bytecode verification means it is responsible for loading class files and verifying the bytecode for security and correctness. Here, it is used to load the class files, and next it verifies the bytecode for security and correctness. And next, the Java virtual machine is the engine that executes the Java bytecode. It includes such as Java interpreter. Java interpreter means it is executes the bytecode. And next, threading is an user to manages multiple threads of execution. And third one is garbage collection, automatically manages memory. And these are etc which we have in JVM. And how does this process will work? Now I'm explaining. So the class loader and bytecode verification component loads the necessary classes and verifies their integrity before passing them to the JVM. So the class loader and bytecode verification, firstly it loads the necessary classes, and next it verifies the security and integrity correctness before passing to this JVM. Before passing to this JVM, it checks the integrity and the security of the classes. And next, the JVM then executes the bytecode utilizing the Java interpreter, threading, garbage collection, and other functionalities to run the Java program. The class libraries provide a set of pre-built functionalities that developers can use in their applications. These class libraries are useful for to the developers, which they have pre-built functionalities which is used to help in the Java applications. So this is the brief explanation of an JRE. So this is a block diagram of an JVM. First, the JVM is an engine that is used to execute the Java program, and it is used to convert into bytecode. So now I am explaining how does this JVM internally works. First, we write the Java code, and we save as the file name as .java, and this .java is only understands by the human, and it can't be understands by the machine. So the JVM internally it is used to convert by using the JavaC compiler, and it converts into bytecode. Dot class. This dot class can understand by the machines. Bytecode is in the form of 0 and 1s, which is used to understand easily by the machine. So this dot class file and can execute in any operating system. The main feature of an Java is platform independent, right? So we take this dot class file and we can run any operating system such as Windows, Linux, and any operating systems we have. And so this bytecode then given to the JVM, and whatever operating system we are using, suppose I'm using Windows, right? So this JVM, these dot class files can execute in Windows. Suppose whoever are using MacBook, this JVM, these dot class files can execute in MacBook also. Suppose who are using Linux, this dot class file can execute in Linux operating system also. So this is the main feature, and which is very useful feature in Java, platform independent. So in this way, Java virtual machine internally works, and it converts into human understandable language into machine understandable language. So this is about the brief explanation of a Java virtual machine. And next, I will explain how many editions we have in Java.